What's up, squad? Back on the channel, and today we're getting into the nitty-gritty of the best 6 products breaking down performance, budget, and value. Dive into the description for the freshest prices and all the deets. Braun MQ7035X. The Braun MQ7035X 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile kitchen essential that combines power and functionality. With a robust 500W motor, this stainless steel stick blender offers variable speed control for precise blending. Its 3-in-1 design includes a 2-cup food processor, allowing you to chop, slice, and dice with ease. The included whisk attachment is perfect for whipping up creams and meringues, while the blending beaker provides a convenient container for your creations. Experience faster and finer blending results with Braun's cutting-edge technology. The multi-quick feature ensures efficiency in your culinary tasks, whether you're preparing soups, smoothies, or sauces. The ergonomic design enhances comfort during extended use, and the easy-to-clean components make maintenance a breeze. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Braun MQ7035X, an immersion hand blender that seamlessly combines power, precision, and versatility for various culinary applications. MasterChef. This professional-grade handheld stainless steel stick blender set is perfect for processing a variety of foods. With interchangeable blending, whisking, and frothing attachments, you can easily blend smoothies, puree baby foods, and froth milk for cappuccinos and lattes. The variable speed controls allow you to adjust the speed for different food textures, and the detachable attachments make cleaning easy. The ergonomic designs ensure comfortable uses, while the stainless steel construction guarantees durability and easy cleanup. The MasterChef Immersion Blender offers a seamless blending experience, allowing you to achieve the desired texture in your culinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this versatile and powerful handheld blender is a must-have for elevating your kitchen endeavors. Experience convenience and precision with the MasterChef Immersion Blender, your go-to tool for a wide range of culinary delights. Mueller Pro. The Mueller Pro series. Hand Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen tools that allow you to easily blend, crush, and puree a variety of ingredients. With its superior performance, stepless speed control, and detachable shaft, this immersion blender offers endless possibilities for creating smoothies, soups, baby food, and more. It features a heavy-duty titanium steel blade system and a full copper 500-watt motor for optimal blending power. The ergonomic handle and pressurized speed control make it simple to use with precise control. The intelligent appliance design reduces suction and splashing, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Made with superior quality, this hand blender is backed by Mueller's excellent customer support. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Mueller Pro series Hand Blender is a top choice for all your blending needs. The Mueller Pro series Hand Blender is a reliable and efficient kitchen tool with superior blending performance. With its titanium steel blades and powerful motor, it easily handles a variety of ingredients to create smoothies, soups, and more. The ergonomic design and pressurized speed control make it simple to use with precise control. The smart appliance features, such as reduced suction and splashing, add convenience to your kitchen tasks. Backed by Mueller's excellent customer support, you can trust in the superior quality of this hand blender. While there may be some durability concerns with the chopper blade and food processor unit, overall, the Mueller Pro Series hand blender is a top choice for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile immersion blender. Vitamix. Vitamix blender are known for their powerful blending capacities, so it only makes sense that the brand's immersion blenders would crush the competitions when it comes to pureeing soups. Vitamix made this with 6 25-watt motors and 5 variable speed, so you can puree gently or use in stronger speeds as needed. The blade has bell shapes to promote flows and prevent suction, which is when the hand blenders stick to the bottoms of the pot. Since the blade's guards is scratch resistant, you can use this immersion blenders with any cookware. The 5-foot-long cords means this tool can comfortably stretch from a wall outlet to the stove. 2 buttons on the side, a power button, and a speed adjuster give you extra precision and control as you cook. We love the durable stainless steel construction and padded grip for maximum comfort. Plus, the 4-pronged blade has a rubberized guard to ensure your cookware won't get scratched. Ganiza. The Ganiza Immersion Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that will make your blending tasks a breeze. With its 800W complete copper motor, this blender is capable of handling a variety of blending tasks quietly and easily. The stainless steel body is not only sophisticated and scratch-resistant, but it also promises a 3x longer service life compared to common motors. The blender comes with a set of detachable attachments, including 800ml mixing beaker, 600ml chopper, whisk attachment, and milk frother, making it a true 5-in-1 tool. With 15-speed control and a turbo boost mode, you have precise control over your blending needs. The detachable part are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, sauces, or whipped cream, the Ganiza Immersion Blender is a great addition to any kitchen. The Ganiza Immersion Blender is a powerful and versatile tool highly recommended for any kitchen. Its 800W full copper motor and 15-speed control provide the perfect balance between power and precision. The detachable stainless steel blades and easy-to-clean design make maintenance a breeze. The blender comes with various attachments, allowing you to tackle various recipes. While there are a few minor drawbacks, such as potential blade housing size limitations and the need for caution with extended use, the overall performance and quality of the Ganiza Immersion Blender make it a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient hand blender. Fullstar. Experience ease with the Fullstar Hand Blender Electric. Boasting a comfortable, ergonomic handle and 9 adjustable speeds, including a turbo option, it simplifies blending. Plug in, press the low-speed button, and effortlessly rotate the control knob to your desired speed. For high-speed blending, engage the turbo button. This immersion blender comes complete with 3 attachments: blending arm, whisk, and frother for versatile usage. A silicone pan protector is included to prevent scratches. The 500-watt power ensures quick blending, mixing, pureeing, and whipping. Say farewell to lumpy sauces and embrace healthy, delicious meals daily. Ideal for home chefs, this multi-purpose hand blender makes any recipe a reality, blending ingredients seamlessly in various containers. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.